Hey friends, this is Wendy Cannin with Cannin Plannin. I'm excited to be jumping on with you guys today to do my December business layout. I am currently using the Tula 12 month with notes. It gives a monthly view on one side and the option for notes on the other side. I am also using the January Create, Organize, and Plan Kit Winter Whimsy. The regular kit has sold out, but there's still an opportunity for you to get some fantastic pieces from this Winter Whimsy kit by following the link in the description below. But if you are decorating and it is not December, there is always plenty of kiss kits, washi tape, stickers, all kinds of fun things that you can use to decorate your planner if that is something that you love to do. This is something that I do every single month, and I utilize my monthly as a tracker. And you will notice that on the left-hand side with the calendar, there are different color activities on the page. Part of that is because I love being able to use the aspect of color coding, especially in my calendar, because it gives me the chance to do a quick look at what is happening throughout the course of the month. The pink writing in the calendar stands for my own personal development, classes that I am attending, workshops that I want to attend or learn from. Purple is what is happening with my team with Tula 12 and activities that are happening through corporate at Tula 12. The green are my own personal business, things that I have going on, events, workshops, classes, anything that I need to take care of on a personal business level. And then every once in a while, you'll see a blue activity pop up there. Those are for my family or sporting events, which we don't currently do sports during the December month. So right now, I don't have anything particularly on the calendar. That is always subject to change though. On the other side of the calendar, you're gonna see that I have these squares. There are 9 squares, 8 of them are lined, 1 of them is open. I did take a piece of washi tape and cover up the open square. It was a place for you to do a recap for your planning for social media. I use a social media insert, and so I don't need that option. I go ahead and take those other 8 boxes and I actually divide them up differently than what they originally laid out. You'll see that each box gets its own color. The first one that I did there is where I list my qualified members for the month of December. So I track my level 1s. The next box will be the leaders that I have in my organization. The next box will be the events that I have going on if there's extra information that I need to know about that. In the next box, which is green, I am going to be putting any of the new teammates that I bring on to Tula 12 in that box so I can check their dates. In the next box is going to be the rank qualifications. So these are the qualifications that I need each month to check to make sure that I meet in order to hit my personal qualifications. You notice I was doing the purple box and I made a little oops, but I always use whiteout handy and I was able to fix that little mistake. In that box that I had previously made the mistake in, I'm going to write out what my current rank is so I can track the dates of when I achieve each of those current ranks. And then the last box is my own personal volume that I like to track on a monthly basis. And that, my friends, is the December setup. I hope you have found this information valuable, and if you do, please feel free to hit that share button or hit subscribe and hang out with Cannin Plannin and watch for any upcoming videos in the future. Have a fantastic day, friends.